everybody knows my name now, but something about it still feels strange. Like looking in a mirror, trying to steady yourself and seeing somebody else. And everything is not the same now. Feels like all our lives have changed. Maybe when I'm older it'll all calm down, but it's killing me now.
Kalbimde ağrılar, beni biraz anla. Yoktu dermanımı. Unuttun her şeyi, silersem her şeyi. Zaman izittirir. Zaman izi ittirir. Kalbimdeki incidir. Seni unutamazdım, seni bırakmazdım ama anladım.
Everybody saw me sick, and it felt like no one gave a shit. They criticized the things I did as an idiot.